Good morning. Today, we will be dealing with the volume of a cylinder. Before we proceed with our lesson, let us first review our class rules. The learning objectives based from the standard are the following. Are you familiar with net? Net is a two-dimensional representation that can be folded to create a three-dimensional figure. Can you give me examples of three-dimensional figure? Yes, Jed, that is correct. Another one, Janus. That is also correct. Now, you may start doing the introductory activity entitled Create a Cylinder Net. The materials are already provided. You may now start following the instructions written on your activity sheet. What three-dimensional figure was created? Very good. So you created a cylinder. Now let us answer the processing questions based on your activity. These are the parts of a cylinder. Now these are the properties of a cylinder. But what is a cylinder? Yes, Pia. Very good. How can you describe the volume of a cylinder? Yes, again, Jed. Very good. Similar to that, cubes and rectangular prisms, the formula for finding the volume of the cylinder is V is equal to area of the base times height. Since the basis of the cylinder is a circle, we are going to use the formula in finding the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. Therefore, the formula in finding the volume of a cylinder is V is equal to pi r squared h, wherein r is the radius and h is the height. I will do example 1. Now we do example 2. Try to do example 3. You do example 4. Do you have any question about the lesson? If none, we will now proceed with our group activity. So you do practice drill 1 by group. Group 1 will answer learning task A. Group 2 will answer learning task B. And group 3 will answer learning task C. You may now start. Now you are through with the group activity. You will now proceed with the individual task. You will do practice drill 2. You may now start. Did you enjoy our tasks for today? Okay, that is good to hear. Let us now generalize our lesson. Class, always remember that volume is the measure of space taken up by a solid figure or an object. And to find the volume of a cylinder, find first the area of the base and then multiply it by its height. Are there any challenges and misconceptions you encountered while studying the lesson? If yes, what are those? None? That's good to hear. Now, it's clickers time. Fact or bluff? Fact means that the statement is true, and bluff means that the statement is false. Raise A if your answer is fact, and B if your answer is bluff.
Class, that is all for now. See you again tomorrow. Goodbye, class.